Hyundai locks down Ioniq 5N brake maintenance. $6 K tool or $2 K workaround required replacing car parts has always been a matter of skill and affordability. But for Hyundai Ioniq 5N owners, a simple brake pad change has turned into a frustrating obstacle. The automaker now requires specialized tools or a costly workaround to retract the electronic parking brake, raising questions about right to repair and DIY maintenance. The problem? Lockdown brakes. One owner discovered that replacing rear pads on his high-performance EV wasn't as straightforward as expected. The electronic parking brake must be retracted, but Hyundai has made this process intentionally difficult for non-professionals. The issue is not the pads themselves, but the system locking access to the retraction process. The solutions? Expensive or complicated. There are two main options. Hyundai's Global Dynamic System, GDS. This official tool costs approximately $6,000, making it prohibitively expensive for most DIYers. J2534 Diagnostic Tool, a cheaper alternative, but still costly. The software rental is about $60 per week, and the required adapter costs around $2,000. Hyundai approves only 3 J2534 devices: Cartier Q Plus 3, Bosch's MTS 6531, and DG Technologies' dBride DGE Pro. Using unapproved tools is discouraged, and access requires National Automotive Service Task Force (NASDF) authentication and a constant internet connection. Hyundai's response: the automaker initially claimed the restrictions were about safety and security. However, after facing criticism, Hyundai expanded access to the J2534 application, allowing aftermarket users to perform previously restricted functions. The company maintains that authentication through NASDF is still necessary for secure operations. Hyundai now admits that DIYers can replace brake pads, but only with the right tools. The company insists it's not restricting DIY repairs, but the high cost of the required equipment effectively does. The bigger picture: right to repair. This situation highlights the growing conflict between automakers and independent mechanics, or DIY enthusiasts. Manufacturers are increasingly locking down access to repair tools and software, forcing customers to rely on authorized dealerships. The right to repair movement argues that consumers should have the freedom to fix their own products or choose independent repair shops. Automakers often cite safety concerns, but critics argue that these restrictions are primarily about profit. The conclusion: Hyundai's approach to brake maintenance on the Ioniq 5N raises serious questions about access and affordability. While the company claims to support DIY repairs, the reality is that the cost of compliance is steep. For now, owners may be better off leaving this job to the professionals, unless they're willing to spend a small fortune on specialized tools.